Guys, this is Frank and Teskey here in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2020 Sailfish 245 dual console. Right now I have all the transom seats folded out. Transom, port, and starboard seats are fold outs. They can be folded away, give you a little bit more room for activities. Whether you got a few guests coming on board or you're doing some fishing and crabbing, fold these seats away and gives you really nice room in the cockpit. Off the back here, we got a beautiful Yamaha 300 horsepower outboard. Really nice feature that Sailfish puts on their boats is a telescoping ski tow bar. We got 4 rod holders across the back here. Live well. When you're walking onto the boat, you have a nice freshwater washdown as well. Coming up the starboard side at the helm here, nice captain's chair with thigh-high bolster. Great armrests that you can maneuver out of the way if you don't want to use them. This is a digital throttle boat. It also has power assist steering that changes the feel of the wheel. You have your Yamaha gauge readout. You have your Garmin XSV screen, rocker switching, and then finally a nice Fusion stereo system. On the port side here, for a 24-foot boat, this is a huge head. Lots of room in there. You have 2 cup holders, a sink, some storage, electric marine head. Moving up to the bow, I'll let Pete walk by me. You have 2 nice forward-facing loungers. You have 2 cup holders per each side. You have stereo up here, 12 volt. This boat does have the nice feature that's especially in the Barnegat Bay is a windlass. You don't have to deal with anything with picking the anchor up and putting it into any storage. Stays right here on top. Looking back, you'll see this large hardtop. It matches the color of the whole side on the underneath. All LED lighting. We do have, you can see the track system here. We do have a 3-piece enclosure for this boat. So just to recap, 2020 Sailfish 245 dual console with a 300 Yamaha on the back. We're here in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank and Teskey. If you want to see this boat in person, swing by or visit us online. Thank you.